Hello guys, welcome to the Scholarship Analyst channel. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Maastricht scholarship, the fully funded scholarship that is currently open now. And I want you guys to apply to it. And this scholarship is a fully funded and it does not have application fee. However, some programs have application fee. But depending on your program, basically the scholarship does not have application fee. But now depends on the program in which you're applying to, which some requires you to pay some fee. So, but I'm going to show you whatever it is. So before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video right now, kindly subscribe now. You can see, click on the subscribe button and don't just subscribe, click on the notification, put it on so as to get notified when a new video is being uploaded. And also we have a WhatsApp group. Check the description of this video to get the WhatsApp group link and also join other people that are looking for scholarship and to also get first-hand information. Ask question if you have. And and also let's continue. So we're going to uh Maastricht scholarship, and this scholarship is in Netherlands. I know you guys know Netherlands, and it is basically for masters and PhD mainly. So master's program is like 2 years, and the PhD program I guess about 5 years or so. We are going to go to their website now to show you guys, and it's from Maastricht University. So let me just show you what we are, where we are going. And you can see this Maastricht University and potential scholarship. And full scholarship of 34,000 euro, including tuition waiver and monthly stipend. So let's just scroll down. You can see who is eligible, the procedures and everything, selection process and everything. Who is eligible? You can see you must be an outside student out of EU, that is an international student, and not a resident or in nationality, or you don't have the nationality of European Union. So let's just scroll down a bit. So you must have a GPA of 7.5 out of 10. That's like 75%. This is just out of 10, but basically you're like 75% of your overall grade. So that's what it means. So let's just, like I said, okay, the program is for 1 year master's program and 25 months for, okay, they have different potential. It's basically for master's program. So they have 1 year master's program and also 2 years master's program. Either of the two you chose to go for. So you can see what is covered: living expenses, health insurance, visa cost, tuition fee, academic training cost, and the international student, blah, blah, and the cost. So you can see that's a lot of money, man. So, and the scholarship amount is 15,000, about 16,000 euro, and they give 1,200 per month. So that covers all these expenses and the likes. So, but let's just go to the application procedure, which is very important. So if you want to look at the programs that are available for it, you can click on this participating program and you're able to see the list of master's program that actually are financial economics. That's nice. They're actually entitled to the scholarship. So, and you want to apply, submit your application link through the student link. So when you register on the student link, you have to choose a Maastricht University to apply for them. So you receive a student ID number, and then you also need this number to complete your scholarship application. And just read through everything that is here. Don't just assume. Read through everything, which is very important for you. So what I want to point out there is the application fee. I know that a lot of people don't always want to pay application fee, which I totally understand. So let's look at whether this scholarship have an application fee, yes or no. They said, please note, if your study program requires the payment of a handling fee, that's like application fee, as part of your program admission process, the UM international student does not cover the handling fee and the likes. So what they're trying to tell you that if your program, so that is not all program requires you to pay a handling fee. The handling fee just seems an application fee. So if your program does not requires you, you are fine. And if your program requires you, that means you have to pay or you don't apply. So that's just what I want to point out for you. And also, once you have done with the admission application, then come here, click on this, log in with your details, your ID number, and your details to apply for the scholarship. So to fill the form, so you have to apply for the scholarship, you need to do that. And you need your CV, letter of motivation, proof of academic excellence, personal statement, reference letter. They gave you a sample of reference letter here, the contact details of one of the referee. So the selection procedure is this. Everyone hears at the back of they have February, March, and final interview and everything is March. So and the status come out in April. So it's a very good scholarship. It's a little bit competitive, so but just put in your best and write a strong SOP personal statement, for be able to you to get the scholarship. So that's all about I have for you right now on this scholarship. So don't forget to apply and don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day and enjoy yourself, guys. Peace out.